What's up, guys? Caleb Bryan here, back at you from Freedom Life Influencer. In this video today, I'm going to give my my unbiased review on K Money Mastery. K Money Mastery was made by Stefan, Pylarinos, right? And I was given this product by one of my mentors who mentioned it. This is a good way to make money online if you don't want to do affiliate marketing or drop shipping or Amazon FBA or whatever it is. Internet K Money Mastery is basically a step-by-step course that teaches you how to make passive income with Kindle publishing, okay, and on autopilot, okay. So if you're trying to make money online, if you want to learn how to make passive income, this is the channel you want to be at, okay. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'm coming out with daily content on product reviews, on ways that you can make money online, the latest and greatest techniques and strategies for 2018 as well as 2019. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, okay? So let's get into the review of K Money Mastery. So Stefan made this program, K Money Mastery, like I said earlier, to teach people step by step how to make passive income with Kindle publishing. If you don't know what Kindle publishing is, this is basically a publisher. Amazon has its own book publishing, basically, right? And so that anybody, if you know how to write, or if you don't know how to write, you can publish books on Amazon Kindle and make passive income. You put the book on Amazon and you sell it and you get a commission for that. Good thing is, some people don't know about is you don't even have to write the books. You don't have to write the books. All you need to know is have this. You need the know-how on how to market, or more, know how to publish, as well as how to market on Kindle in order to make good sales. Guys, Stefan is a millionaire, self-made millionaire. He's been on the internet marketing space, passive income, with affiliate marketing, drop shipping. He's been around the block a couple of times and has a lot of good resources and a lot of good things for people just like you and I who are trying to, make passive income and create the life that we want to, right? And in the K Money Mastery, it teaches you step by step how you can basically rinse and repeat, copy and paste using his 6-step process, or parts not 6 steps, but his step-by-step process on how he did it with Kindle publishing. Okay, so this is a great product. I mean, people are getting a lot of money, making a lot of money with this. This person made $5,710 in 6 weeks. Okay, just from royalties on the Kindle publishing. Okay, but you, like I said earlier, you don't even have to know how to write the book. You can hire somebody. Like, you can go on Upwork.com, or you can go on Fiverr.com, right? So here's Upwork. Upwork.com. You can hire freelancers, and these are people who are, legit writers. People who, write for other people on a daily basis for a living. So you can also use Fiverr.com. Both of which will be in the link in the description. So check out the links below if you want to check out Upwork or Fiverr. You can find people to write a book for you, or if you want to write your own book, you can do that also. You can write your own book and hire somebody on Fiverr.com to create a cover. So it's a lot of things you can do where you won't even have to write it yourself. Publish it on Kindle and it's done. But for K Money Mastery, it teaches you all of this. It teaches you how to take Kindle publishing and make a full-time income, guys. I mean, Stefan is saying he's making $8,000 a month on autopilot from some of his books. I mean, let's say you make 3 books, and you get traffic to these books, and you market the book the right way. You can make passive income from making that one book without even having to do anything else. $8,000 a month coming in passively on autopilot. So it's a lot that goes into Amazon publishing, Kindle publishing. So you want to make sure you have resources, and you go through a legit, proven step-by-step course that will teach you exactly that system, okay? And I think K Money Mastery is a good system. So We have some reviews here from some students who have, got some success from using K-Money Mastery. So the course in itself, it has modules. It has 21 modules here. 21 modules that's going from finding a profitable niche. So when you make a Kindle publishing book, make a Kindle book, you want to make sure that it's in a particular niche, a niche that's profitable, a niche that has a good audience, a good target audience, so you can target your audience specifically and make consistent sales. How to do keyword research, creating a title that sells on the Kindle publishing on the book, and design a cover that sells. So it's a lot that goes into it. You don't want to do it blindly, but you want a course that's going to teach you the ins and outs of how to make this business a success, and get the results that you want. Okay, you can easily make $5,000-$10,000 fast in a month just using this system. Okay, guys, this is some tutorials. And in each module, 21 modules, but there are multiple videos in each module. So you want to make sure that if you get this course, you set aside time daily, okay, to review. Number one, go through the module, all the videos, all the homework, and the last thing, the most important thing, you want to make sure you set some time to take action. You want to take massive action, because Stefan can give in these videos and in this course, he can give a lot of content, a lot of value to you. But if you don't apply it, if you don't act on the information that you receive, it does you no good. Okay, it does you no good. So K-Money Mastery is a legit course, not a scam. You get your money back in 30 days. So try the program out. The program is $97 right now. I think they have a promotion going on, so make sure you check it out. You're $97 right now, and you have your 30-day money back guarantee. So try the program out for 30 days, and if you don't like it, just get your money back. I mean, you can either spend $97 for a month, don't like it, get your money back, or spend $97 and start making $10, $30, or $50,000 per month. I mean, $97 is worth an investment, guys. I'm telling you, like, I went to college 4 years and I'm $26,000 in debt, I'm paying that off with my online marketing business right now. So I'm getting there, but we spend thousands of dollars in a 4-year university that doesn't guarantee us anything but a piece of paper. It doesn't even guarantee us a job that pays what we want to, what we want. So $97 is nothing compared to what we can get in return with this course. So it's a legit course. I think you guys should go for it. If you do want to go for it, the link will be in the description for this also. It'll be the first link below. Check it out, read up on it, listen to the video from Stefan here, and read some of the testimonials, some of the students that have taken K-Money Mastery, and just get a feel for what they've done. If it's worked for them, it can work for you too. You don't need to be a guru. You don't need to know it all before you get into this course or any make money online, whether it's affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or with Kindle publishing. You don't need to be a guru before you get into it. You just need to get into one course, one mentor, focus, and take massive action, and you'll see results. Okay. So some bonuses that come with K-Money Mastery: you get automation and outsourcing with virtual assistants, right? Goal setting for Kindle publishing mindset and philosophy for success, Kindle publishing ritual for scaling up, non-US tax requirements. So if you're not living in the US, some things that you might need to know, creating a corporation or LLC for your Kindle business, accounting basics for your Kindle business. So this gives you everything you need to know, from setting up your Kindle publishing, just creating the book, creating the cover, creating the title, the ins and outs step by step there. But it also gives you the ins and outs and the tools you need to start a legit business, with taxes and with incorporating your business and making sure you have the right strategies in place for your business so that it is sustainable. So K-Money Mastery is a legit course, guys. So that's my 2 cents on that's my review on K-Money Mastery. Like I said, if you want to check it out, check out the links in the description. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up. If you like this review, if it gave you some good feedback on this course, if you made a decision whether to purchase or not to purchase from this video, give it a comment and let me know if you're going to purchase K-Money Mastery. And if you have already, Let me know in the comments if you like K1 Master, what you think about it, and if you've gotten results from it. Okay. So again, like I said, subscribe to my channel, because if you like to learn about making money online and making passive income, you want to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of your evening, day, night, whatever, or morning, whatever it is. Okay. Peace.